Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some goodies from the people over at DIYChoose. So I'm excited about some of these, so I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to save that one for last. This one is more of a working tool than anything else. I don't know how you guys finish your diamond paintings, but when I'm done with mine, I don't frame most of mine. I put them in my portfolio. And because I'm putting them on my portfolio, I need double-sided tape. So I attach double-sided tape to the back of the item, and then I peel it off, and then I attach it to a piece of cardstock, which I then slip into my portfolio sleeves so that they stay nice and secure and they don't move around, so that I don't have drills falling off, etc., etc. So I got a piece of, or a roll of double-sided tape from them. This was $1.99 and well worth the money in my opinion, because again, you know, I use it for all kinds of things, but mostly for putting things in my portfolio. So there's that. And then I'm going to save the canvas for last. This is an off the canvas item. And you guys know I like trying some of these off the canvas items because I like to see kind of what they look like, how they work. So what this is a box. And it looks like this when it's done. So you get your standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pin. You do get a couple of baggies. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. Some assembly required, as you can see, because you have to put the pieces together. I'm assuming that's the bottom. And then, let me see if I can get these apart. Oh, it doesn't come apart. This is just the inside. It's all one piece. So this is the lid. And then you put all of the pieces together. So I'm not going to assemble it. And I likely will diamond paint it with it still disassembled, so that I don't have to worry about, you know, running into edges and things like that. But I really like this mandala design. I thought it was really pretty. So yeah, I thought this is going to be really cute. So hopefully I will get a chance to do this, and at the end of the video you'll get to see it. So stick around to the end. And hopefully editing me will be able to stick in what this looks like when it's all done. So let's look at the drills. Ooh, we've got some special drills. So let's look at the regular ones. So our crystals, we get this kind of old gold yellow. We get an orange, a dark blue, ooh, a very pretty kind of turquoise color, a kind of greenish turquoise, an even paler version of that turquoise. Then we get some very light blue, some clear, and then, ooh, all of these red teardrop shaped little tiny slivers. Have to admit, these, while they look nice, are not my favorite because they are so hard to place. Thank goodness I have pretty placers, so I will be able to use it for that. What number is that? Number 9. Oh, so like all of these very tiny around there. Okay. And then for our special drills, we have some marquee shaped iridescent. We have one pearlized orange, which I'm going to goes right there in the center. We have some larger red teardrop shapes. We have some round pearls, and then we have some round blues. So some very pretty drills, and like I said, I think this is going to turn out really well. The picture looks really cool, so I'm excited to see, you know, kind of once I have it diamond painted and then I put it together, what it's going to look like. So yeah, so there's that. And this was, let me find my notes here. This was $12.29 for the mandala box. All right, and then the last item here, I just got this one because it was so cute and I couldn't resist. Even though it has a white background, which you guys know is not typically my favorite. If I can get it out of the package here. Okay. Ooh, this is one of those kind of softer canvases, so it rolls up really nice and easy. Love that. All right, so you get a standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen, and then all the drills are in baggies. Look at these cute colors, you guys. Okay, and here is the canvas. It got a little crunched there. Definitely need to lay it so it will flatten out. Let me kind of fix the cover sheet here and get it to lay a little bit more flat. Okay, do the same thing on this side. So it will just lay a little bit more nicely so you guys can see it. So it does have the white background, but it does have the eye symbols, which that's my preference when it's the white for the background. We have 23 colors. We have a schematic on both sides. We've got DMC codes, so that's awesome. And it is a 30 by 30. So let's see. It is 25 by 24.5. So I don't know if it's laying completely flat. Is that 24.5 as well? Yeah, so 24.5 by 24.5. And it is nice and sticky. And I do like that it kind of has some blue in the background here. So it's not this huge amount of white that's going to be in the background. So that's always a plus for me. So let's look at the drills here. All right. Let me just flip these over. So we've got a pink and then a little bit lighter pink. We've got gray and then a darker gray. We've got black. That's not very much black at all though. We've got a kind of a cream color, a pale pink, a very, very pale pink. We've got a light blue, a dark brown, ooh, a very bright bubblegum pink, and kind of a sage green. And then we have a peach, a chocolate brown, a lighter peach. Oop, those look like they're trying to escape at the top. Let me get that one back in the bag there. Then we have a light pink, another kind of true pink, a very pale like blue, a slate blue, a pale peach, a brown, and a lighter brown. And then of course we have our white for the background. So some really cute colors in this. I love these little cute ones. I think these are great for kids' rooms, babies' rooms, nurseries. I think I'm attracted to them because it's kind of like the stuff we would hang up at preschool, that style. So yeah, super cute. And this one was $3.99. So we have our cute little leopard here. And as you can see, I managed to complete this wooden box. And it was fun, although I gotta say, I think the top looks really good. I love the center here. I love the little teardrops. Love the design of the mandala kind of flower on the top. And I think the colors were chosen really well. On the sides here, oh, you guys, these teeny tiny little slivers of drills. Thank goodness I have a pretty placer, because trying to fit my pen tip in there with these teeny tiny little things almost drove me bonkers. It looks really cool now that it's done, but trying to place it and kind of trying to get them turned the right way so it looked nicely like a circle. And there's one on every single side. The two long sides have basically two there's one in the middle and then two halves, and then there's a one on each side. So once I got those done, I was super thrilled to be finished with those teeny tiny pieces. But other than that, it's very easy to put together. I mean, it takes a little finagling when you only have one set of hands, but it just all fits together with these little notches. And then there's these notches for the top, and you fit them in there. And it's a nice, good size box. I mean, you could fit some, you know, nice things in here. And it closes, it takes a little bit of finagling to get it closed. I'm not quite sure why. But once it closes, you know, it stays closed. And it just looks really pretty. Like, it's just such a pretty box. And, you know, it's pretty sturdy. So I'm not sure what I'm going to keep in it. I don't know if I'm going to, maybe I'll put washi tape in it. I currently just have my washi tape stored in this really ugly plastic bin. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but something. So anyway, so I did finish it. There's what it looks like. It's super cute. Really glad how it all turned out. But the rest of these are getting tossed because, oh my goodness, I don't want to do them again. So there's the finish of the box, and back to the rest of the video. We have our double-sided tape, and then we have our cute mandala box. So there you go, guys. Again, hopefully I was able to show you the finish of that. If not, I'm sure you'll see it at some point in the future. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.